In this video, I'm going to show you how to sequence a chord progression and then save it into your J6. So I'm going to first head over to pattern 3.1, which is a blank canvas. I'm going to get out of pattern. You can see that it's blank because there are 8 free steps at the top. They're grayed out. If they're orange, it means they're full. So let's go into, I'm just going to sequence something quite random here. Number 1, step 1, I'm going to put in that chord. Number 2, number 3, number 4. Easy, and it's flashing. It needs me to do something, so I get out of it. I've just sequenced in that little chord progression. It sounds like this. Etc. There are other videos that I have which show you how to change all of the sounds and the variations and lots of different parameters in your chord sequence, but for the sake of this video, that's a quick example. Now I want to save that forever. I want to keep it in my J6. Here's what I do. I hold shift, I press right. It'll say PTN. Do you want to save this pattern? I have exit, no, or enter, yes. Hit enter, and it's done. Now when I turn off the J6 and turn it back on, wait for it to load up, go to 3.1, there it is, get out of pattern just so I can see. You can already see I've got 8 steps sequenced, and there it is. That same chord progression is in there.